Welcome back, guys. This is ITSP Technologies. This is the Linux series. It's going on. Okay, so last video we covered in the Linux, but by mistaken, I have get some urgent work at this time. So I missed the video. Some duration like 40-45 minutes duration is skipped in this session. So don't worry. That's why I'm planning for this session. For the first session, we can say, okay. Oh, so in this session we will cover the cat command and cd. All this command we will cover, okay, with the example. So now I'm just going to show you how we can launch EC2 instance with practicing the Linux. Okay. So now I'm in the AWS account. I'm in the AWS account. Here you can like yeah, here you can launch your EC2. I have launched in that create a one AWS account and go and launch instance. Here click on launch instance. That's it. I will show you one time. Here just put your server name, whatever you want. You can choose and application and OS image. Amazon machine image you can choose whatever image you want to choose. You can choose Linux. If YM it will use, and Ubuntu is apt is it will use. But I am using Red Hat. You can just click on this browse button and search free tire eligible. Free किसके लिए free tire it's available. So I am using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Let's select this like that. Okay, it is searching, it's selecting, and T2 micro is sufficient to practicing this. In the T2 micro, one CPU is there, 1 GB memory means RAM is available. On-demand window phase pricing is this. This is social Linux. All the pricing list is available. It's a minimum cost. You can just create a key pair. Suppose I have created personal lab test, right? And just select security group, but because we need an internet connection. Here we need to connect this BM by using MOBA. So we inbound the rule like I will show you. Inbound the rule like SSH, and if you want to internet connectivity in this VM, so you need to pass the port like HTTP. So 10 GB is sufficient. So that's it. Create a launch. So this is the process to launch a EC2. That's it, guys. So I have already launched. Here you can see instance. Okay, Red Hat, and it's connected with the MOBA. Yeah, it's my 5 is connected. Authenticated. Yes, success. Now go inside the root user sudo su not su hyphen I. Go inside the root user. So we not need to put every time sudo command. That's it. We are in the root. How we can check where I am? So who just here you can see who EC2 user PTS and like that we have like who am I? Just enter like root user. Right now we are in the root user. If you want to print a working directory, so now what is the command, guys? PWD. This is the basic command. Okay, root directory. Right now we are available. So now we are going to practice all this command here. Okay, so now one by one we are going to discuss. So yesterday first command is cat command, guys. So first command is mhm, okay. First command is cat command. So what is the cat? Inside the cat means display the cat command is displaying all the content. Display all content. Display all content. Like in the current working directory, if any content like file is there, right? File and directory. These things, if you want to print, like if you want to see the content of this file, not a directory, go inside the directory, and inside the directory one file suppose the dot txt file is there. Any extension file should be available. Then you can see the content of this file. Now let's do the practical. Okay. So now just I want to create one directory, make directory. Don't worry, I have discussed make directory Vivek 1, right? And CD Vivek 1 go inside the directory. Okay. Now let me install one thing. Yum install tree hyphen y. Won't ask this why all these things. Okay. I think it's already installed. Okay, tree. Okay, tree is already installed. 0 by 0. Now create one file. What is the extension for creating a file? VI. Using VI editor, you can just creating and add some content here, like test1 dot txt file. Just shift insert, not shift insert. Just click on insert button and add some content. This is my first file for Lena practice, right? So now, if you want to save these changes, just click on escape on the keyboard. Now you will get one just colon. And if you want to, without saving any content here, just click on Q and enter. If you want to save all the content which you have modified in this file, just press WQ and hit enter. Now, if you want to see, now I want to see my content which are available, which I have pasted in the txt or test.txt file. So you can use like cat command. For this purpose, this cat is there. Like txt. Guys, I hope you are understanding. This is easy. No text is not available, right? Why? Because text file is not there, but text is there. So now here you can see the content of this. Okay. So now this is if you want to number of this file, so we can use cat hyphen number test one dot txt. Like that. We get the number. How many number of lines is there? 5 lines of there. Like that, we get it two commands. What is two commands, guys? First is first is cat. First command is cat test one dot txt. Correct. Now second command is like what is that command? Cat hyphen number. If you want to print a number test dot one dot txt like that. Here printing the number, printing the line number. This is the basic. Advanced we are going. Okay. So now this first command is completed. So if anyone asks to you what is that meaning of this command, now second command is this. I will check this now. Second. Second command is cd. cd means होता है change directory, right? Just I mean directory. So if you want to suppose we are in that like Vivek, right now we created one Vivek directory. I think so. Vivek one. I want to change the directory from this to like I want to go back. Okay, I want to go jump to another directory. Like I have created one more directory. Suppose Vivek 2/test. Suppose that. Now I want to move to here to this directory. Okay, so we use the cd command. So cd command we use. So now let's see. Okay, now let's go cd. Now I have right now we are in the this just we create one dot cd means back also we can use. We are changing the directory. Now I want to show which example I have shown to you. Okay. So now just go create a tree. Let's see, we have right now only this much of directories. Okay. So now I just want to create cd, create make directory, Vivek 1/test, test. Okay. Now let's see tree. Now we created Vivek 1 and test directory. Now I want to move in the root directory to test directory. So, so what is the command? Cp, not cd, change directory slash Vivek, Vivek 1/test. Let's see. Not why because let's see pwd. Why because not coming? Just we are putting that name. Just we are putting the only our directory. But where right now we are in that, so we need to check. Right now we are in the root. So cd slash root slash Vivek right now one and slash test command two. Now right now you can put like that. Now we get it. Right now we are in this directory. Now here we can create one file VM like what is the test 2.txt. Okay. Just click on insert. This is second file for testing cd command, right? And what is that command to exit? Just click on escape colon wq right now. Just click on enter, exit. Now, if you want to see that content which I have which I have created in the test.2.txt file, what is the command, guys? Cat command, cat by using cat dot text is available. Now let's see. Text is available. If you want to see the line number, what is that command? Hyphen hyphen number. You can just put it. So now let's dot means slash means dot one directory come back. Just slash one more one more directory back dot. Right now we are in the home. Let's see pwd. Right now we are in the not home. So cd root. Cd change the root. Sorry, change inside the root directory. We need to go that pwd. Right now we are the three. Just three, not that three. Now here, text is file is there, content is there. Now I hope this is clear. So now next command is now going to discuss. Next command is okay. Next command is chmod. Chmod means होता है change the user mode. Number three, ch mode means होता है change the file permission or like change the mode of that reading or writing, like change the change the change the file permission. Suppose we get some file are not like readable, like we can just read that, we cannot modify, we cannot execute that file. If you want to see, if I can see, just create one inside that create one folder. No, just I am creating one file vi dot test vi script one dot sh, right? And hit insert like echo hello hello. Just I'm putting an escape colon wq. Now exit. Now I want to execute this file. Now you can see that error, which error we are getting. So now what is that command? Bash script dot sh. Now we get it bash. Now dot sh script. We are putting a script dot sh. Script one dot sh. Now here. Right now, why we are not getting here this error? Because bash, we are giving that our binary, like pre-compiled file we are given here. That's why we didn't get that like permission denied. Now I want to execute by using this, or as well just pass the script one dot sh. Now I want to command not one. Okay, so I want to execute this like that. So we need to pass that permission, like permission denied, na? We are getting permission denied. So pass the permission. What is that permission? Here you can see that permission ls hyphen l. Now here in that script we have only read and write policy. We have only read and write, not execute. Here you can see we have that some files Vivek read and execute also is there. So we need pass a just permission, give the permission to this file, execute that. So what is that command, guys? Chmod, right, plus I need to give all the permission x. If you give the specific permission, so we have some codes I will show you. Okay, but right now I'm giving all the permission. Here my intention is showing, not showing the options, but what is the main purpose of use of this command, skip.sh. That's it. Okay, chmod is not mod. Okay, yes. So now we are getting the permission. Now let's see. Just tap and ls. Now here you can see that now right now it's a green. Commands are green. Previously it's not a green. It's just a file type of thing. Okay, now here you can see x is come. X is come. Previously, X is not there. So this is the meaning of X means execute, W means write, R means read. So now let's execute dot slash script. Hi. Now here we are getting output. Now this one is completed, guys. Okay. Now next command is chown. Chown means होता है change the ownership, file ownership. Here you can see that where the script.sh owner is root, but I need to change that owner of this file as well, or directory. So we need add pass that third command is fourth command is okay fourth command is fourth command is ch own. What is that meaning? Ownership change the change the file ownership. Oh, right. So here we get up like ch mode plus x and file name, and ch change the ownership of file. So we have right now in that so we need some users also in that. So we created some user. That user I will assign that. So suppose I have in the user like like itsp. Okay, so this user are available. So by using this user, we can execute ch own. Okay, file name. Okay, ch own and pass that itsp. I'm assigning itsp to this file, created file like script one dot sh. Okay, so first we need to create one. What is that? Sorry, what is that? We need to create. We need to create one user. So user, don't worry about that. So user add user add like I need to create what is that ITSP. Now let's see user is created. Now let's I want to see that user cat. and slash etc inside the directory users you want to see pass, okay, pass hyphen wt. Now let's see, this user is available here. You can see that if you want to see only name, so cut hyphen user's name you want to see only the cut hyphen d, cut a hyphen d, cut hyphen d, sorry, cut hyphen d, colon hyphen f1. Now let's only name will come. Just giving the directory, na directory. Okay, slash etc slash pass pass wd. Now we are getting the ITSP. Here you can see lots of users are there. Just I need to share ITSP users. Now I want to ls. Now here you can see ls hyphen l. Right now user is there. So I want to change that user to ch own. Okay, just ITSP and give the file script.sh. Now let's see where did that permission. Here you can see the test also I have given. Okay, these many files. So just I have passed the script.sh. The current directory we are changing that ITSP root user we are getting, right? So these things are for the changing, like changing the ownership. Right now, previously we have only ownership for the root user having ownership of this files. Right now, we ITSP users have. Okay, so now next file is CP. CP, no, previous we go with the CHGRF. Okay, fifth number is CHGRP means group ownership. Change that group ownership. If I change group ownership, okay, the group ownership, group ownership, ownership. Perfect. To change the group ownership, we have some command. We are using like first we need to add some group. So command group add. Suppose like dev team we need to add dev team, developer team. Okay, team. So we created one group like dev team. I want to assign that group to some other user. So we need just hit what is that? User mode. User mode. Assign the dev and what is that user we are getting? User mode. Just we assign one user mode hyphen ag. I will show you the ag means all the permissions. What is that group we created? Dev team. और जो मैंने एक यूजर क्रिएट करा क्या नाम था यूजर का ITSP ठीक है ITSP now next thing is now we are assigning dev team this user so now grab ch change the ownership of this chgrp chgrp dev team of like we have a file like script one dot sh. No, just we created one user and assign that inside the group we assign one ITSP and this group we change the ownership of the dev team. Now this file ownership, which is the owner of this file right now is dev team. Dev team inside the ITSP, right? So now just go inside that And what is the command we have? Add group. Now let's, if you want to see the group is available or not, what is that command? Command is cat. If you want to just see cat hyphen d colon hyphen f1 and root, not a root, etc slash group, group group. Okay. Now let's see, we have the group. Div team is already available and ITSP group is already right. So just we need to remove the group. So we need just remove the group. Okay. So we need to remove group del command is there. Okay. So group, what is that command we have just wait. Just I'm deleting that users. And again I will create. Uh del, sorry, user group del user we delete class dev team. Okay. Now hit enter at hyphen d colon hyphen f1 f1 sorry f1 slash etc slash pass, not a pass. If you use pass, then you can see the users to group. So group. Now here we remove that dev team na. So we need to remove also what is that ITSP. ITSP. The remove the primary group of user IT. It's not a group, it's a user. So if you want to user, then just so just create one what is that user group. So we user, not a group add dev team right. Okay, if we created no, so we need to drop this spelling mistake. Del group del. Okay. Now just create one group, add group, dub D. Perfect. Now let's see. Here you can see that group as well. Okay. Now hit execute this command. Now we get dev team. So I need dev team. So here we can see ls hyphen el. Right now ITSP user is there. Okay. So now let's execute. Change that user to where inside this, here we can execute user mode, give that user mode to the permission to add ITSP. So now yes, so what is that user mode hyphen a g, and what is that user mode dev team ITSP users. Now ls hyphen l. No. Okay. Now let's see that user is what is that command is. Some command is that I think so. I have executed to show the users and group. Okay. Who, which who, okay. No, which is for that here. I think all these things are available. So now I need to history. One command is there. Okay. So I need. Mm-hmm. Three clean script, voice script, cat, cat etc group. Let's see. Shift insert. Okay, dev team ITSP. Now here you can see the dev team is group and user is ITSP. It's having the all the permission like related. So now ls hyphen l, right? So I need to change the group ownership. So we need change the group ownership. So group ownership, we have a command called chgrp change group team and script.sh. Let's see what happened. Observe this. chgrp, what is that? Deb team. Okay, and I file name is script.sh. Now let's see. ls-l. Now you can observe this. Now this is the user, this is the group. So now ITSP is there, and now I want to change that root and root Vivek directory also if you want. Okay, but not required. Right. So now let's see. Next is CP command. Next go inside the CP. CP means copy that file. Next is CP. Next is I think so. This is 1 5 is 6 CP. CP means copy. Copy means copy means the copy is files or directory. Copy files और डायरेक्टरीज. आप एक डायरेक्टरी को जैसे मेरी फाइल को फाइल. So now, okay, unlimited. I think I'm audible. Yeah. So now file copy. Suppose जैसे एक file, this is file is there. I want to this directory, right? I want to this directory. File dot txt, like test dot one is the txt. So I want to copy this file here to here. So we need to use copy command. Okay, copy means one copy of is available here as well, and one copy is available here. So just we have one directory like cp. Here we have a source and destination. So we need to pass the source where file is available, and destination where we need to put this file, paste this file. So in the command, suppose we have in the cp and root, in the root directory, test1, suppose that, and txt file is there, and destination is I need to Vivek, so Vivek slash test, and I need to put this file to here. You just use your source and destination kind of scenario. So here, mhm, tree, just execute tree command. Let's see what is the structure of this file over. So we have one test. I need to copy this file here to here. So source to destination. So we need to pass the CP. Right now we are in the root directory. So we pass a root directory path. So what is the path? CP slash root source. Source is Vivek one and test. And if you want to like test, like I will say text, and this is the source and destination root slash root and Vivek and slash, right, right, hit enter. Now let's see, execute tree command. Now we are getting the file here. Okay, I need to copy these all files without passing that. Suppose we have a multiple files, select all this file here and passing to here. So we need to just cp and root sources right now is Vivek. So Vivek and pass the star. Star means all the files. Let's see. I am executing. The destination is Vivek 1, Vivek 1. It will ask to override, okay? Vivek 1, not a root directory. We are in the root. And Vivek 1 and test. Inside the test, I need to hit enter. It will ask to overwrite. Yes. Yes. Now let's see. Tree. See, all the file is gone to here. Now I need to just delete one file. What is that? I need to delete. Okay. CD. What is that command to go inside the directory? I'm just showing one thing over. Like how we can pass by using star. If you want to pass a specific extension file to one source to another source. So we going to use that. I'm connecting my laptop to the charging wait. So, so right now light is not available inside my home. So we will cover all the sessions. CP is up to CP is completed. Up to CHO group DU DF file stuck. Another video I will make that and I will upload this. So thank you for watching, and I will upload the video as soon as possible. Part 2. Thank you.